All right, the big news this morning in the parliament is from the Rajya Sabha. A bundle of cash notes have been found from the bench of one of the member of parliament. This bundle of cash found on a Congress MP's bench in the upper house of the parliament. Rajya Sabha's chair, Jagdeep Dhankar, has said the cash was found on the seat of Member of Parliament Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Investigation has been ordered. Party President Mallikarjun Kharge says don't name the Congress MP till the probe is even completed. Kharge is asking, why am I accused of suppressing the matter? Nadda says all parties should condemn such actions. Dignity of upper house has been tarnished. Piyush Goyal has jumped in, the minister in the government. Congress fake narratives are getting exposed. So there have been a bundle of cash found from the Rajya Sabha MP Abhishek Manu Singhvi's bench, to which the Congress is saying that why am I being accused of it? Let's listen in first to what party president is saying and also what Singhvi has to say.
From this chair, I am scrupulous that nobody is hurt. What I said was, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officer from seat number 20222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from state. I don't cast any aspersion on anyone.
Yes,
it's a seat.
You are.
Who allotted
see, I request you, sir, yourself told that it will be investigated, and after investigation only you can come to the conclusion.
Yes.
We never objected that you should not investigate. Have we objected? Why Mr. Nadda should say that I am trying to suppress that matter? We never. You suppress so many things and you people do that. We don't do that. It is your quality. It is your quality.
I am quite astonished to even hear about it about 5 minutes ago. I never heard of it. I reached the inside of the house yesterday at 12:57 p.m. In the afternoon. The house rose at 1 p.m., 3 or 4 minutes after I entered the house. From 1 to 1:30 I sat with Mr. Ayodhya Prasad in the canteen in Sangam and had lunch. At 1:30 I left Parliament. So my total stay in the house yesterday was 3 minutes and my stay in the canteen was 30 minutes. I find it bizarre that even on such issues, politics is raised. Of course, there must be an inquiry as to how people can come and put anything anywhere in any seat. It means that each of us must have a seat where the seat itself can be locked and the key can be carried home by the Member of Parliament, because everybody can then do things on the seat and make allegations about the seat. This is, if it was not tragic and serious, it would be comic. I think everybody should cooperate in getting to the bottom of this. And if there is a failing in the security agencies, that must also be completely exposed.
All right, so that's the first reaction coming in from Congress Member of Parliament Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Remember, senior leader, a veteran leader, also senior advocate. And right now he says, I carry one 500 rupee ka note to the Rajya Sabha. I just carry one note, if at all, in cash. I have no idea where this has come from. Then he's also narrating his timeline that he wasn't there.